We weren't born with all these fantastical neural networks in place. In fact, we create them as we experience life, as we grow up. In the womb, the fetal brain is already fast at work. Its neurons multiply at an awesome rate, to about 200 billion after the first few months. They are, in fact, overproduced, a biological insurance policy. About half of these cells simply die off. For the half that survive, the job is just beginning. Because compared with other animals, humans are born extremely immature. As adorable as human babies may be, they need years of development before they can skillfully negotiate their way through the world. Our most important asset is our brain. From birth, it takes on the world with an almost explosive force, rapidly forming trillions of neural connections. What forces guide this developing network? The answer is everything around us. The brain is not a static, hardwired piece of machinery as once was thought. It's a dynamic creation that constantly shapes and reshapes itself. Our genes supply the parameters for how neurons connect. They lay down a foundation of sorts. But in large measure, the neural connections, the basis of all brain activity, are modeled by the things we encounter in the outside world. The environment physically changes our brain. Over time, as a child has reinforcing experiences, the brain develops territories. It draws certain neural maps for functions like vision, language, muscle movement, and hearing. But the brain sets deadlines for creating these neural maps. If we aren't exposed to language or vision or sounds at crucial periods in our development, those neural circuits are reassigned to other tasks, and our ability to speak, see, or hear is forever limited. A child's drawing may seem simple, but the process of putting these rudimentary images on paper may help her form neural connections of enormous complexity and shape the way she sees the world for life.